Hi, I'm Terry Crouppen, and I want to welcome you to Brown & Crouppen. First of all, let me tell you a little about Brown & Crouppen. Today, after several years of steady growth, we're a law firm of almost 50 people who come to work for one reason, and that's to help you. Our main offices take up a whole floor of the Laclede Gas Building in downtown St. Louis. Plus, we have satellite offices all over the metropolitan area. Our offices are filled with all sorts of high-tech equipment, from computers to high-speed word processors and printers, all of it to do one thing, to serve you better. Today we feel we're just about the right size, big enough to have the legal and financial resources to fight the high-powered lawyers representing your creditors, but small enough to be able to treat our clients as people, as individuals, as friends. But before I go any further, I'd like to introduce a man who's been my partner for almost 15 years, but more importantly, my friend, Ron Brown.
Hi folks, I'm Ron Brown. I'm the Brown & Brown & Crouppen. Terry and I are proud that our names have become associated with quality legal services in the metropolitan St. Louis area for years. I welcome you to Brown & Crouppen, and I'm honored you chose us to be your lawyers. Well, I'll let Terry continue. I hope to meet you in person real soon.
Thanks, Ron. Okay, folks, now let's talk about what brought you to Brown & Crouppen, your debt relief problem. First of all, let me give you a brief idea of how your case will proceed from here. Today, a lawyer will interview you to get all the important information about your money problems. From this information, we'll then be able to advise you of what options you have and which one we think is best for you. After the interview, you'll be given some papers to take home and fill out. But don't worry, we'll give you careful instructions on what to do, and if you need help, we're always here. After you return this information, our experienced staff will prepare a comprehensive petition setting out your case to the bankruptcy court. After you sign it, we'll file it. This means that your money problems are now well on their way to being solved. And by the way, once it's filed, stop dealing with your creditors over the phone. If they call, just give them our number. We're used to handling them, and we'll now be able to stop those harassing phone calls once and for all. About 30 days after the petition is filed, one of our lawyers will take you to a meeting at the bankruptcy court where a bankruptcy trustee will help us move your case along. Don't worry about this meeting. We'll be there with you, guiding you every step of the way. Once this stage of your case is completed, you're almost home. During the few months your case is pending, you'll receive legal papers from the court or from your creditors. Keep these papers in a safe place, but understand we get copies of the same information. We know all about them and what to do with them. You don't need to call us. We'll handle them. If we can't, I promise we'll call you and solve any problems as quickly as possible. So don't worry. Since our people are very good at what they do, it's unusual that you'll ever need to call us. You've been upset about these problems long enough. Let us worry about them for a while. But if you do need to call, one of our experienced paralegals will help you. At Brown & Crouppen, our paralegals have worked on about every money problem imaginable. With the backup of our attorneys, you'll be in very good hands. I want you to know that your legal team is very experienced in handling cases just like yours. Your legal team has been instructed to bother you as little as they have to. Our goal is to work in the background as much as possible, so don't be upset if you don't hear from us. It just means that your case is proceeding normally with no problems, and we just don't want to bother you. Remember, you don't need to call us to check on your case. Just sit back and leave everything to us. It's our job, and we'll take care of you. I promise. Oh, please let us know if you ever change phone numbers or addresses. Well, since you're now going to be a part of our Brown & Crouppen family, let me briefly tell you about the other services we can help you with either now or in the future. Our law firm handles all types of injury cases, from workers' compensation injuries if you're hurt on the job, to injuries caused by defectively made products, chemicals, or drugs. Our lawyers work for people hurt in car accidents, in falls, people hurt working on railroads and on the river. For years, our lawyers have helped children and adults injured by medical malpractice or the carelessness of doctors and hospitals. If you or someone you care about is ever hurt because of somebody else's carelessness, we're here now and always will be to do everything in our power to stand next to you to give you the help you need. Well, I've talked too long as usual. I want to say again, welcome to Brown & Crouppen. Remember, you're now surrounded by men and women who are dedicated to helping you. You are welcome guests. Goodbye and take care.